Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to discuss fractions, mixed bag questions. Okay. Question number 5. Simplify. 1 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 10 plus 3 by 15. First we need to simplify the bracket, then we have to multiply with this. Okay. This one in the form of mixed fraction, you convert into improper fraction. So 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 5 into, see here, 2 by 10 plus 3 by 50. See the denominators, here denominators are different. So in this case, what you want to do children? We have to take LCM. Okay. So 10, 15, we are going to find LCM. These two number is divisible by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So you leave it as it is. Just you multiply all the numbers. Okay. So LCM equal to 5 into 2 into 3. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So what is the answer? LCM equal to 30. Okay. So write first term as it is 7 by 5 into, here the common denominator is 30. Okay. See the first term, here denominator is 10. So we need to make it as 30. So we have to multiply with the 3 only. We will get 30. Okay children. So 3 tens are 30. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. Okay. So 3 twos are 6. Next plus sign is that plus, and see here denominator is 15. Okay. So when you will get 30 children, 15 into 2 only you will get 30. So in the numerator also you want to multiply. So 3 twos are 6. So 7 by 5 into 6 plus 6 you get 12. Divide by 30. Okay. Now see here, you check any other common factors are there except 1. 7, 5 there is no common factor except 1. Even 12, 30 we have common factor 2. So divide by 2. 6 2s are 12. 15 2s are 30. Okay. Then here 2 3s are 6. 3 5s are 50. Okay. Here 2 by 5. There is no common factor except 1. So in crossly also we can't cancel. Now you multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 7 2s are 14. Divide by 5 5s are 25. Now we can't divide this because it is improper fraction. Sorry, it is proper fractions. So proper fractions we can't convert. Okay, we can't convert into mixed fraction. So you leave it as it is. So what is the answer children? 14 by 25. 14 by 25. Okay, I repeat this. So 1 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 10 plus 3 by 15. Okay, you convert this mixed fractions into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 5 into 2 by 10 plus 3 by 15. First we need to simplify the bracket. Okay, so see the denominators. Here denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. Okay, 10 comma 15 is divisible by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now you multiply all the numbers. Okay, 5 into 2 into 3 because 2, 3 are prime numbers. Still prime numbers you can do this. Okay, so 5 into 2, 10, 10 3s are 30. Now LCM is 30. See the denominator here 10 is there. So we need to multiply with the 3 only, we'll get 30. Likewise, see the second term, look at the second term, here 15 is there. So we need to multiply with the 2 only, we will get 30. Okay, so multiply by 3 first, we are getting 6. In second term, 3 2s are 6. So 6 plus 6, what you will get, children? 12. Okay, so now 12 by 30 is divisible by 2. So 6 2s are 12, 15 2s are 30. Again divisible by 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6, here 5 3s are 15. Now multiply the numerator, 7 2s are 14. Next multiply the denominator, 5 5s are 25. So it is a proper fraction, so leave it as it is. So what is the answer, children? 14 by 25. Let's move on to the next question, children. See the next question. 6 into 1 by 2 into 4 into 3 by 4 minus 1 into 1 by 2. First you will convert into improper fractions. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 2 into 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19 by 4 minus 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. First we need to simplify the bracket. 13 by 2 into, see the denominator, here denominators are different. Okay, so in this case what do you want to do, children? We have to take LCM. Okay, see here 2 is a factor of 4. Here one denominator is factor of the other denominator. In this case, which is the greatest, that you choose it as LCM. Okay, so here LCM equal to 4. Okay, children. So now you convert here 4. You see the first term denominator is 4. So write the numerator as it is. Next minus sign is there, minus. Okay, and see the second term here denominator is 2. So we need to multiply with the 2 only, we will get 4. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 13 by 2 into 19 minus 6, what you will get? 13 by 4. Okay, now here check here 13 by 2, there is no common factor except 1. Likewise 13 by 4 also. In cross day also we can't cancel. So what you will do? You have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 13 13s are 169, divide by 2 4s are 8. Okay, now you divide this 169 divide by 8. 2 8s are 16. Okay, next 9 is there. One time it occurs, 1 8s are 8, so remaining 1. So 21, 1 by 8. So what is the answer, children? 21 into 1 by 8. You understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? Solve the following. Okay, the first one, how many months are there in 5 by 6 of a year? We need to find out the month. Okay, how many months are there in 5 by 6 of a year? You know very well, in 1 year, how many months are there, children? In 1 year equal to, how many months are there? 12 months. Here what is given? 5 by 6 of a year equal to 5 by 6 of replaced into a year. 1 year equal to 12 months. So 12 months. Okay. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Now we multiply this, 5 2s are 10. So 10 months. So 5 by 6 of a year equal to 10 months. Okay children, do you understand this? 5 by 6 of a year, 1 year equal to 12 months. So 5 by 6 of a year equal to 5 by 6, the of replaced by into. Okay, so a year, 1 year equal to 12 months. So divide this, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Okay, now 2 5s are 10 months. Okay, 5 by 6 of a year equal to 10 months. See the second question. Here, how many hours are there in 3 by 8 of a day? 3 by 8 of a day. So we are going to find the hours. Okay. Hours. Okay. So here you know very well, in 1 day equal to how many hours, children? 1 day equal to 24 hours. So we are going to find 3 by 8 of a day. 3 by 8 of a day equal to 3 by 8 of, you replace into a day. So in day, how many hours are there? 24 hours. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So now you multiply this, 3 threes are 9. 9 hours. So 3 by 8 3 by 8 of a day equal to 9 hours. Do you understand, children? So how many hours are there in 3 by 8 of a day? So 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 3 by 8 into 24. 8 ones are 8. 8 threes are 24. Now you multiply this, 3 threes are 9 hours. So 3 by 8 of a day equal to 9 hours. You understand, children? See the next question. The length of a wire is 45 centimeter. What is 2 by 9 of it? Okay, the length of the wire is given. We need to find out 2 by 9 of it. Of it means 45 centimeter. 2 by 9 of 45 centimeter we need to find out. Okay, so what is given? Length of a wire. So length of a wire equal to 45 centimeter. So we are going to find 2 by 9 of, it means 2 by 9 of 45 centimeter equal to 2 by 9 of, you replace by into 45. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. Now 2 fives are 10, 10 centimeter. So what is the answer, children? 2 by 9 of 45 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter. You understand, children? So length of a wire is 45 centimeter. They asked you to find 2 by 9 of 45 centimeter. So 2 by 9 into 45. 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. Now you multiply these two numbers. 5 twos are 10. 10 by 1, you will get 10 only. Any number divided by 1, you get the same number. So what is the answer, children? 2 by 9 of 45 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter. What is the answer? 10 centimeter. Okay. See the next question. How many 1/4 are there in 10 3/4? Okay. So how can you write this 10 3/4, children? 10 into 3 by 4. Okay. In this, how many 1/4 are there? So we have to divide. Okay. So just we multiply 10 into 3, 30. 30 by 4, divide 1 by 4. Okay. Now we are going to divide this. So if you want to divide this, we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor, then we multiply with the dividend. Okay. So the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means 4 only. Okay, children. So 30 by 4 into reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4. Now cancel this, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Now what you will get, children? 30. So how many 1/4 are there, children? 30 1/4 are there. So what is the answer? 30 is the answer. 30 1/4 are there and 10 3 by 4. Do you understand, children? See the next one. If 9 people share 3 by 4 kg of sweets equally, how much will each person get? Okay. Now what is given in the question, children? See the solution. Quantity of sweet is given. So quantity of sweet equal to 3 by 4 kg. This is total quantity. Okay. So total quantity of sweet equal to 3 by 4 kg. So number of people equal to, how many people are there? 9 people. So 9. We are going to find quantity of sweet got by each person. Quantity of sweet got by, got by each person equal to total quantity divide by 9. So 3 by 4 divide by 9. So we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor, then we multiply with the dividend. Okay. So 3 by 4 into, because multiplication I am going to change, division I am going to change, multiply. If I want to change this sign, I have to take the reciprocal of the divisor, then I want to multiply with the dividend. So I written the dividend here. So I change the symbol. Now 9. I have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 9 is 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So now see here. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. Okay. Now you multiply this numerator 1 divided by denominator 4 threes are 12 kg. So what is the answer, children? Quantity of sweet got by each person equal to 1 by 12 kg. Quantity of sweet got by each person equal to, each person equal to 1 by 12 kg. Do you understand, children? So in this question, total quantity of sweet is given. Total quantity of sweet equal to 3/4 kg. Number of people 9. So we need to find out quantity of sweet got by each person. Okay. So 3/4 divide by 9. Okay. So 3/4 you write as it is. You change the symbol. You have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 9 is 1/9. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. Now you multiply the numerator. 1 into 1, 1. Multiply the denominator. 4 threes are 12. Okay. So 1/12 kg. Quantity of sweet got by each person equal to 1/12 kg. You understand, children? Thank you, children.